Actually, it looks like they plowed the runway. Never mind. My bad.
Has it been snowing today?
Up like you want to be to Fairbanks?
All my bags were like down there. I was like, man, I'm getting my jacket. We had like 2 people on the flight. It was amazing.
507. It's nighttime.
No, it's not.
That's night.
No, we landed.
Please remain seated with your
And there's
seatbelt
still
fastened
daylight
until your
back there.
aircraft comes to a complete final stop at the terminal. At that point, the captain will turn out the fasten seatbelt sign. That'll be your one and only indication that it's safe to get up and move around the cabin. Please be careful as you remove items from the
This is
overhead.
our last flight. We're here.
Take a minute to look around your immediate seating area and make sure that
Should we get drunk in Anchorage? Wait, no, Fairbanks.
You have left door. Please be careful.
Dude, it looks slick out there. Shit.
Who cares? We can't die now. We've already landed.
Yes, please proceed directly into the terminal. Do not pass any parties in your
Yeah. Are you still recording?
Spoken to you well within a day's
Well, at least I know that we died because we said
You
it
have
was
checked baggage on this
slipped.
flight. You have very short
Slippery.
baggage claim area. Just look for flight 51.
Are our bags here now?
It's on the plane.
It's
Huh?
been a pleasure serving you today. We look forward to seeing you again on another last Airlines flight. Should you feed plans call for air travel, we hope you look us up on the web at lastgear.com.
Shout out.
One more time, please keep an eye on the fasten seatbelt sign.